I think I'm perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It's just perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm perfect. Perfect, perfect.
Hi guys, we're gonna be debadging an X6M today because this shit looks fucking dirty.
It's even faded. The color's
faded.
Yep.
So we're gonna put black with fucking nice ass colors. It's gonna be look beautiful.
Fresh, yeah, some fresh Emblem.
So what we got here is glue gun to take off the glue after we take the badges off. We got some floss to help us to take this shit off. So we're gonna start doing that.
First one down. Where is it? Pocket? I need some more floss. See, this residue, all of this is going to come off with glue gun. All of this. Get a close up on this. Get a close up on this. Watch this. See the 6? You see the 6? 6 upside down is a 9 now.
Should we put M9?
M9.
X9M.
X9M.
Almost? Want me to help you? Where did you get so far?
My man.
Nice.
Got it all.
Okay, we're gonna just try to rub off all this dirt off now, all this glue. Oh, where's that yellow wipe we had? That's what I'm saying, it's gonna be easier.
Can I use the glue gun?
Yeah, after this. Yeah, just the glue around.
Makes sense.
I know you're not supposed to be doing that because it's gonna get all the grit, all the dirt scratching against it, but
fuck it.
We don't give a fuck. This is not a Lamborghini.
Okay, I see. Holy fuck, this shit looks fire.
I'm hungry.
Yo, debadge it, debadge it. Just debadge it. Just don't put anything on it.
Yeah?
Like all the other fuck boys. There you go, bro.
Hell yeah. Look at that. That is how you debadge an X6M. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.